Alright, soil nerds, you've met the builders and the feeders, the bacteria doing the fast food work, the fungi laying down the infrastructure. Now it's time to meet the predators. That's right, your soil is not just a nutrient machine, it's a full-on microscopic jungle, and it runs on a cycle of eat or be eaten. Let's start with the smallest of the crew, Protozoa. These little guys are single-celled organisms. Think of them like Microscopic Grazers. They cruise around the root zone slurping up bacteria like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. But why do we love them? Because when Protozoa eat bacteria, they release nutrients back into the soil. That's the golden cycle. Bacteria lock nutrients up when they multiply. Protozoa eat them, digest them, and poop out plant-available nitrogen. It's wild, right? The fertility of your soil literally depends on who's eating who and what they're pooping out. Nature's gross, nature's beautiful. Now let's get a little bigger, nematodes. I know, nematodes get a bad rap. People hear the word and think root damage. But here's the truth. Not all nematodes are evil. In fact, most of them are totally harmless. And honestly, many are actually helpful. There are bacterial-feeding nematodes, fungal-feeding nematodes, and even predatory nematodes that eat the bad guys. What you don't want are root-feeding nematodes. Those are the ones that mess with your plants. But in a balanced, living soil, the beneficial nematodes keep the bad ones in check. It's the same story. They eat, they poop, nutrients get cycled, plants get fed. This is what we call the soil microherd, a whole cast of microscopic players, all living their best lives under your mulch. Now zoom out just a little more, and you've got the microarthropods, springtails, mites, tiny insects. These guys help break down organic matter, shred leaves, move microbes around, and even help with aeration. They're like the cleanup crew and traffic cops rolled into one. All of these organisms create soil structure as they move and interact. They keep the system from getting clogged or compacted. They make sure oxygen moves, water drains, and nutrients cycle. And here's the secret sauce. It's the predator-prey interactions that make soil come alive. It's not enough to just have compost and microbes. You need a living web, a full food chain, because it's that constant cycle of growth, death, and digestion that creates true fertility. Want living soil that runs on autopilot? You don't just need compost, you need balance, diversity, relationships, predators and prey. So how do you get this micro-jungle going? Well, start by avoiding chemicals that nuke your food web. No synthetic pesticides, fungicides, or sterilizers. Keep your soil mulched and moist because these creatures really need habitat. Add in compost from a trusted living source. And hey, brew actively aerated compost teas to boost populations. And give it time, life begets life. You can't rush an ecosystem, but you can feed it, protect it, and let it thrive. When that balance locks in, oh man, you'll see it in your plants, the vigor, the color, the resistance to pests. Plants raised in living soil grow with backbone. They know who's got their back. And that brings us to the grand finale, you. In the next episode, we'll walk through how to build a thriving soil food web from scratch. We'll cover what to add, what to avoid, how to observe the signs, and how to turn any dead dirt into a full-blown microbial city. It's time to stop feeding bottles and start feeding the biology. Let's bring it home in episode 5.